Kalofatu Makau, Kalofatu Makau, o Bay Roscoe League Club ke ono e nephew Haka ko Liam ke pele under 13 Niue Rugby League. Takalonga tō tangata ke Whirewea. You got the Tongans here. They're doing their thing over there. And I think Niue is coming up. They're playing against the NZ Maoris, it looks like. Oh, someone just had a slip. Gotta be careful around here. But yeah, hola hiva e monga nei. Wao mo matufu tine, mo misiani, no ke whahi hammer. Sup peeps, I'm in Maori Haka League, watching my nephew Liam play for Niue League under 13s. It's mean atmosphere. Mean atmosphere. My mom's here, Missy's here, I think Gus here too, so Atu. And it looks like everyone's doing their haka. I guess NZ Maoris, they're doing lolongo. And yep, got the oh yeah. We got the Sipitao and looks like the Cook Islanders. Here we go. If you look at this, the Maoris are gonna, this is the war dance. Oh. Whoa, that was intense. That's awesome. So yeah, they're both like they're about to play. And we'll see what happens in 80 minutes time. Go Niue, go NZ Maoris. Great atmosphere. Yeah, we'll catch up.
That's right.
Whakalawhatu Makau, Osi e game, Liam, unlucky. Niue got a hiding, but I was happy to support. Liam ran well. We've missed Mum. Hey, good game, we missed.
Thank you, yes, really good game.
Good game.
They played well against the Maoris. The Maoris beat the Tongans yesterday.
Hey.
Yeah, so they did well. And it's a learning journey for everyone. They all tried their best. See the size difference.
Oh shucks! I thought Liam was big, but he looked normal in the team. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it was awesome to see. And see the little smaller ones. They're so brave, eh?
Brave.
So tough, so awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's good to catch the haka.
Yeah. Did you catch the Takalo in the beginning?
Yeah, got the Takalo and just a good atmosphere.
Yeah, look at the Fijians up here.
Fijians are here. I'm gonna get copyrighted for this music, but all good.
That's the Fijian kids.
Oh, go go Fiji. You're lucky Steve's not young man. He'll come and run around circles around you guys. Yeah, but well, awesome. Thanks, miss, for the invite.
Thank you for coming. Just straight from Niue.
Straight Niue's a distant memory now. It's a memory. It's a dream. So yeah, okay, we're gonna go see Liam now. Tō mitaki game with Liam. Yeah, that's how it starts. Liam's first year.
Yeah.
As the years go on, it's just gonna get better and better. But, yeah.
And there's some footage on the P1C page for the games yesterday. The games that played here, they're live.
Yeah.
So they played here yesterday.
PYC.
Yeah, the P1C page for the live footage. But it was a good game.
Now Fiji's playing Samoa. Yeah? No, Niue. Oh, different age. Yeah, great game today. But I'm gonna end up. I just came to watch Liam play. This is Niue under 14s versus Fiji. What's up, team? This is my nephew Liam. Any words? How's the tournament been?
Oh, it's been good. We lost all our games, but we put up a good fight against other countries. Yeah, and I think I did well. And I think I'll come back and show next year. We'll see. Yeah, we're lucky.